Don't download OneVest app before watching this. If you're thinking about OneVest, hold on for a moment. Most people assume it's just another investment platform, but the surprising truth is that it's really built for high net worth individuals looking for curated, long-term investment portfolios, not casual or beginner investors. OneVest offers a range of pre-built portfolios that are managed based on risk tolerance, financial goals, and time horizon. For example, you can select a conservative, balanced, or aggressive portfolio, and the app automatically allocates your money across ETFs, stocks, and bonds. The goal is simplicity. You invest, and OneVest handles the rest. The app also provides detailed performance tracking and analytics, so you can see exactly how each asset is performing. Most people get this wrong. They assume they'll be able to actively trade or pick individual stocks within OneVest, but this platform is designed for hands-off investing. You get professional portfolio management, but limited control over individual holdings. Fees are another important factor. OneVest charges a management fee on top of fund expenses. While these fees are competitive for professionally managed portfolios, they can reduce returns over time if you're not investing for the long term. This is why OneVest works best for investors who are focused on steady growth and long-term wealth building rather than short-term speculation. In conclusion, don't download OneVest if you're expecting a DI investing app or active trading platform. Its strength lies in providing a curated, professionally managed experience with clear risk management and portfolio tracking. For investors who want a hands-off approach with transparency and data-driven guidance, OneVest can be a powerful tool. But casual investors or those who want full control over every trade may find it limiting. Understanding what the app truly offers will save you time, frustration, and ensure you make the most of your investments.